Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have one of the largest squishy. Some people call it mochis. 180 pieces. And no, it's not all for me. Actually, it's for my daughter and my son. They love the squishes. So I'll just show you some of them. I'll open it for them and they're gonna review for you. So it's easy on the side to open like this. Each of them individually wrapped. Actually, it's one of the best probably gift idea for kids, for parties, or just really nice basket. It's like a couple pounds of squishes. Guys, you asked me for squishes?
Yes.
All right, here you go. A lot of squishes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Let me know what you think.
A frog. It's a seahorse. A pump. A doggy. A starfish. A Mimo. A sheep. A alligator. A koala.
Looks like it's a dog. It's not koala. I mean, no, it is koala. Wow, koala. Yellow koala.
A elephant.
Elephant. Beautiful. Can I have one?
Yeah.
Which one can I have?
A elephant.
Elephant. Thank you. I'm gonna open up and see why you guys like squishes. Because that's a lot of squishes. Oh, it feels so good. It's soft and squishy. Does it smell? No, a little bit pleasant smell. Do you like the smell?
Yeah.
It's a little bit elephant squishy. So why kids like it?
Because it's soft and it like you can buy a lot of ones or different, and they can be different colors.
Are they popular at school?
Yeah.
I think it's not safe for somebody who's under 4 years old. So I think it's recommended 4 and up. So make sure, because it's easy to get choke on them. So don't buy for somebody who's under 4 years old. But my kids are older. Are you older than 4 years old?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, don't eat them, okay? I know they smells tasty and they feels good. Look like jelly. Elephant. Okay, guys, enjoy. Wow, so many. Oh, what is this?
A stingray.
Stingray. Are you guys gonna share with your friends?
Yeah.
How is it possible it fit all in this basket? It's like 2 pounds. There are a lot of to open yet. Okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. We're gonna open them up more, I guess. A lot of different squishes. And if you like one, check link in description. Thank you for watching. Bye.